Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to add Google reviews to your hosting your website. Quick, easy, and perfect for boosting trust in 2025. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your website's website builder. Click on the section where you want your Google reviews to appear. Next, go to the left panel and click Add Element. Then choose Embed Code or HTML. Now, open a new tab and search Google Reviews widget. You can use any free tool like Elfsight or Social Ball Kit. Generate your widget by signing in with your Google Business account and copying the embed code. Go back to your Hostinger editor. Paste the code into the embed code box and click apply. Preview your site. Your live Google reviews should now appear instantly. And that's it. Your Google reviews are now live on your Hostinger site, giving visitors more trust and boosting your credibility in 2025.